Okay, so have our addition problem. Jessica had 4 candy bars and Sarah had 6 candy bars. How many candy bars do they have all together? So we know when it says all together that we use addition. We want to figure out how many they have all together. So we look for that keyword all together. And that tells us that we need to use addition to solve this problem. Okay, so I'm going to use to solve this problem a number path, a number, what's this called again? Bond, good. A number, what's this called again? Sentence. And over here, what's this called right here? 5 group drawing. Good job. So I'm going to use, count with me, how many methods we have to solve this problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can anybody tell me what is another method that I do not have listed here that we could use to solve this problem? Good, our math hands. We could use our math hands. What's another thing that we can use to solve this problem that I do not already have on the screen? Pictures. I could draw pictures. Picture drawing is good. Or I could use objects. I could get 4 candy bars and I could get 6 more candy bars and I could add those all up together. Okay, we're going to use a number path, a number bond, number sentence, and a 5-group drawing. So I'm going to start up here in my number path. Okay, so for addition, I know, where do I start first, guys? Let's read the problem one more time. Jessica had 4 candy bars. Sarah had 6 candy bars. How many candy bars do they have all together? So the first thing that I want to do is simply circle the 2 numbers I have. So I can see what 2 numbers I am working with. So I know that I need to add up 4 and 6 because of those are the number of candy bars each girl had. We want to know how many they had all together. All right, please tell me, what is the first thing I am going to do? Good, I am going to look at this number 4 and I am going to find the number 4 on my number path. Count with me until we get to the number 4. When I get to the number 4, yell stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Yep, we're at the number 4. I'm going to circle the number 4 because that's our first number. Okay, please tell me what the second thing I need to do is. Good, I need to jump 6 spots because Sarah had 6 candy bars. Okay, so I'm at the number 4. I'm going to jump 6 spots. Will I jump 6 to the right or to the left? Good, 6 to the right this way because I am adding. All right, ready? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I jumped 6 spots. And what is my new number? 10. So I know 4 plus 6, writing 6 up here because I jumped 6 spots, equals 10. So let's go ahead and put that down into our number sentence. I have 4 plus 6 more candy bars. 6 equals a total of 10 candy bars. 10. All right, great job, guys. Okay, so I'm going to put my numbers now into my number bond. All right, tell me what number will go in the circle all by itself. 10. Remind me why 10 goes in the circle all by itself. Good, because the total will always go in the circle. That's all by itself. All right, and my 2 parts can go in these 2 circles, 4 and 6. So remember, this means that 10 can be broken up into 4 and 6. All right, we did our number path, we did our number bond, and our number sentence. Now we need to complete our picture, our 5-group drawing. All right, guys, so my 5-group drawing, I already have, count with me how many circles I already have out. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do I need to do next? Put out 6 more circles. Great, for the 6 candy bars that Sarah has. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my second color. Remember, 5-group drawings. We always use 2 colors. 1 color for the first part and a different color for the second part. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. versus Jessica's 4 candy bars. Now I am going to put out for Sarah's 6 candy bars. All right, tell me if this is correct. Am I going to bring this circle down here? No, why not? Why can't I just bring the circle down here? Oh, right, good, you're right. That's because I need 5 circles on the top before I go down to the second line. My second row, I need 5 circles always on the top. All right, so 1, count with me, 2, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great job, guys. All right, so now what do we need to do to figure out how many we have all together in our 5-group drawing? We should count all the circles up. Go ahead and count with me all the circles up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means my answer is correct. I have 10 candy bars all together. All right, great job with that, guys. We used our number path, we used our number bond, our number sentence, and our 5-group drawing. In this problem, we used our number path to solve the problem. We used these 3 methods to model the problem, to show our work. We used a number path, a number sentence, and a 5-group drawing to model our work. Great job. Let's do one subtraction problem, and then you guys will go off and complete some review problems. Okay, this is our subtraction problem. I'm going to read this for you. Jessica had 10 candy bars. She wanted to give 3 candy bars away to her friends. How many did she have left? Okay, how can I know, based on the problem we have here, what words here tell you that this is a subtraction problem? What words did I say in this word story that tell you that this is a subtraction problem? Okay, good. We can start with knowing that 10 is our total. And we know in subtraction, we are always taking away from our largest number, our total, so 10. So maybe seeing that 10 is the largest number in here and what we've been subtracting, adding from, you can tell that this will be a subtraction problem. Okay, what's other words in this that tell you that this is a subtraction problem? Good. How many did she have left? We want to know in subtraction how many are left. So it says here, how many did she have left? That tells me that this is a subtraction problem. Okay, I can also tell that this is a subtraction problem from give away. Remember, subtraction is always taking away. Okay, so I'm going to use my number path. Thank you for correcting me. My number path to complete this problem. I'm going to use my number bond, my number sentence, and my 5-group drawing to show my work. Okay, guys, please tell me what the first thing I need to do is. What should I do first in my number path? Okay, I'm going to look at my 2 numbers and figure out the numbers that I am working with. So I already circled my 10. What other number am I going to circle in my word story? The number 3, because that's the other number I am working with. She gave 3 candy bars away. So we are taking the number 3 away from 10. All right, I'm going to jump down to my number path. I have 10 numbers on my number path. What number should I circle first in my number path? Great, the number 10, because that is my total. In subtraction, we are taking away from your total. All right, remind me, guys, subtraction. Am I going to jump to the right or to the left? To the left, always for subtraction. How many spots will I jump to the left? 3 spots, because she gave 3 candy bars away. Go ahead and count with me 3 spots as I jump. 1, 2, 3. And what number are we left with? 7. She had 7 candy bars left. So I have the numbers 10, 3, and 7. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So I know my total will always go in this first spot in subtraction. 10, take away 3 candy bars, you are left with 7 candy bars. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Please say that with me. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Great job, guys. Okay, I would like you to figure out where the numbers will go in our number bond, and then we will solve that together. Okay, great job, guys. So I know what number will always go in my circle that's all by itself. 10. Why will my 10 go in the circle all by itself? Because 10 is my total altogether, the largest number. All right, 10 can be broken up into my 2 parts, which are 3 and 7. So I know 10 is broken up into 3 and 7. Okay, and let's go over to our 5-group drawing and show this problem just with our 5-group drawing. Count with me together how many circles I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are my 10 candy bars. All right, Jessica wanted to give 3 candy bars away. So I'm going to take away how many circles? 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And she is left with how many circles? How many candy bars? 7. Let's check that. Let's count these to make sure we only have 7 candy bars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is correct. Great job, guys, for the subtraction problem. We solved it with using our number path, and we modeled our work with a number bond, a number sentence, and a 5-group drawing. What I would like you to do is complete in your composition book these 6 problems. So right now you can open up your composition book, go to a brand new page, and you will write math review problems with the date today. The date is 5-4-20. This is new from last week because we have a new month. We're in the month of May. 5-4-20. So at the top of the paper, you'll write math review problems with the date 5-4-20. You will solve these 6 problems. I would like you to use one of the following methods for each problem. So try to use all of the methods by the time you're done with all of the problems. You can use number bonds, you can use a number path, you can use a 5-group drawing to show your work, or you can use a picture drawing to show your work. So you're going to solve the addition problems over on this side and the subtraction problems on the right. You can take a picture of your work and submit this to portfolios. I will see you tomorrow for our first day of Module 5. Have a great day, guys.